What's going on, guys? Today we are going to show you how to install our mirror delete kit for the Cybertruck. So we can see that we already have the mirrors removed, and we're going to go ahead and insert a video that we made back in the past to show you how to remove the mirror.
Open your passenger door all the way and remove the rubber cover underneath the mirror. It pulls back from the inside and is attached to the door panel. You'll see 3 M8 bolts in a triangle formation under that. Use the T30 tool provided to loosen up the bolts. Once loose, remove them all. I like to put them in the door pocket for safekeeping. Once those are out, look below that area with the bolts, and you'll see a clip. Pull that out, and you'll see the mirror connection. It's a push clip, so carefully push the red tab up and pull. It should release. Now you can remove the mirror by pulling straight up. There are a couple clips that it's held by, so you'll hear it snap when you pull it up. Do the same for the other side.
Now that we're back, now you should have this hole right here, and this is not acceptable. It is too big of a hole because this is where the mirror used to sit. So here's how you remove it. This is how you actually install it. Here's the good part, is that you actually don't need anything else other than the screws and just a tool to actually put this in. So we are also providing a T40. This is the T40 that fits the bolt right here. So first step is I get one bolt, and we're gonna just slide it down, and I just want it to catch, okay? That way it doesn't fall. And I want to have enough rotation like that, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the next one, okay? And all you're trying to do, guys, is you're not trying to tighten anything up. This is gonna be extremely tight. So one other thing that I would recommend is, I didn't quite do it here, but you do want to get rid of, if you are going to have a clean look right here, you are going to want to get rid of this. This is usually, they have like little 2 felt strips right here that's adhesive. You can get a razor blade and just scrape this off. You can also scrape it off right here, and it'll make it a little bit easier and fit a little tighter. So now that we're there, we're going to go ahead and work on aligning this up, and you can see that it is very tight, but it fits perfectly. So this is good right here in the bottom. This is really good. And you just do one side at a time. So what I like to do is start tensioning this right here. And when I do that, I want to hold this down. Okay, as I get closer, this is when I can kind of adjust a little bit right here. Boom. Look how seamless that is. You don't have to go very hard right away, but you're gonna do the same thing. As you get tighter right here, there you go. And you can kind of use some parts of the tool to push it down, and that is fantastic fitment. And then go ahead and tighten it. You don't have to go muscle everything, okay? Once you feel a little bit of tension, just go just a little bit more, and then you're good to go. So that's how you install it. And then once you're done, there's actually a clip right here, and clip right here. Those are actually, and also in the bottom, there's actually 4 total. I like starting with the top. You want this a little bit underneath, and look how nicely this fits. It's gonna go like this, so it's a little bit more weatherproofed. And then you're gonna go ahead and focus on pushing the bottom one right here. And that one's pretty self-explanatory. And then all the ones, you push it and you should feel a little bit of click right in there. And now you have your mirror delete installed. As easy as that. If you want to put back your mirrors, it's the same thing. You just remove it. The only difference is that you have an additional screw for the bottom part of the actual mirror. So other than that, if you are wrapping it, we will provide some templates. However, it's very, very easy. You could actually wrap it and then do this, right? So before you do this, go ahead and put the same color. If this was blue, go ahead and blue that. And then after that, you should have this look. So that's how you install the mirror delete. Very, very simple. We try to keep it as simple as possible, but seamless. This should withstand a good amount of temperature. Arizona, Nevada, all those extreme temperatures should be fine. The adhesive is very, very strong, so we're very confident about that. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Click on that subscribe button, and happy mirror deleting.